Oh my God.
Until 7 a.m. Friday. What flooding caused by rain and snowmelt is expected? Where portions of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Belmont, Guernsey, Monroe, and Noble. Portions of Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland. Portions of West Virginia, including the following
My 2003 got it.
Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, Ohio, Preston, and Wetzel. When? Until 7 a.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:54 p.m., gauge reports indicated heavy rain and snow.
Oh my God.
Levels on streams and creeks. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morgantown, Wheeling, Greensburg, Fairmont, Washington, Cambridge, Uniontown, Jeanette, Moundsville, Latrobe, Connellsville, Martins Ferry, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Waynesburg, Westover, Warwood, and Bethlehem. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.